Hello there. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 20th of October. I'm James Spann, and cold is the word tonight. We'll check some of the Skycam images around the network today. We'll start with a view coming from Cullman. Nice look into downtown Cullman. And again, pretty amazing. You know, before the tornado, April 27th, you couldn't see into downtown Cullman from that Skycam, but you can now. That's from the water treatment facility just east of town. Here's the view coming from Huntsville. Up in the Tennessee Valley, scattered clouds there, and down south, that's the Selma Skycam, looking right down the Alabama River from Water Street in downtown Selma. All right, there's the big view, and you can see the big upper low is located east of Detroit, and the trough covers much of the eastern part of the United States. Let's look at the jet stream altitude winds. The strongest winds are lifting out on the east side of the trough now, so it should lift out, which means a slow warming trend after tonight. There's the surface chart. The surface low is near Detroit with the occluded front there to the north and east. And again, around here, there's the visible satellite shot, and you can see clouds, scattered clouds over north and northeast Alabama. Once you go below Interstate 20, it's severe clear, and all those clouds go away soon. Temperatures, we're doing a little work on the system here in the office, so we don't have a lot of the numbers, but you can see mostly 50s on the board, and really most locations are sitting between 57 and 60 at 2 o'clock. And here's the numbers around the nation, and you can clearly see that flow of cold air down into the trough. Boy, up in Canada, they're sitting only in the 30s and low 40s at early afternoon. Those are taken at 2 o'clock today. And again, we've got great conditions for radiational cooling tonight. Rain for the next 5 days. Forget about it. No rain. This is valid through Tuesday morning. But we might see a pretty decent rain event maybe Thursday of next week, as you'll see. Interesting output on the 12Z GFS. Okay, this is the tropical weather scene. A couple of areas circled in the Atlantic Basin. Neither of those have much promise. The winds aloft are pretty harsh, needless to say, around here, so not going to worry about tropical activity. So let's look at the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. And indeed, the trough is lifting out. And down below that, it will be a sunny day. And again, it's going to be a cold morning. Temperatures will radiate nicely, and it's going to be one of those nights where the numbers will be all over the board. Average low was saying 37. Colder valleys down around 30. Ridge tops maybe low and mid-40s. But I think for most folks, they'll have some light frost tomorrow morning. And for many, the first frost of the season. And a frost advisory is in effect. All right, Saturday, what a beautiful day to kick off the weekend. Sunny with upper 60s. Sunday looks good. The GFS is showing 74. What a great day for the big race at Talladega on Sunday afternoon. There's Monday of next week. We stay dry. Highs hold in the 70s. Tuesday, again, just gorgeous weather. But Wednesday, looky here now. Got a pretty good-looking trough coming out of the Rockies. And down below that, we're dry here. But looks like a snowstorm out there for Colorado. And Thursday, oh boy, that's some very strong vorticity coming into the base of that thing. And you know what? That might set up some strong storms if this is right. And wow, what a map. You've got the potential for snow back in northern Arkansas, if this is right. And this is within 7 days. It's technically just inside the Voodoo Land range. But certainly it looks like we'll have to hit a good chance of showers and storms on Thursday. And then Friday, everything lifts out. We have cold air advection, and it should turn sharply colder on Friday, a week from tomorrow, the 28th. So again, we obviously can't be specific in details, but we'll have to watch out for some strong storms. We're getting to late October. The fall tornado season is almost here. And we'll check the end of the forecast, November 5th. Big trough in the west, ridging here in the east. And if that's right, the weather would be nice and tranquil. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you live around here, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. That's ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4. We've got the 4 o'clock news. 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Thank you for trusting us to be your #1 source for news
in all of Central Alabama.
In back-to-back ratings periods,
more people watched ABC 3340
than any other station in Birmingham.